Cantoey and Rattata and Radicate are really pesky rodents, not because they want to be, but because they have to be. Rattata like to chew on everything, mostly because his fangs are constantly growing. Because of this, they pick spots where food is available and kind of stay there and produce offspring. Its hardy vitality allows it to settle almost anywhere really. But these Pokemon really like the group. If you see one Rattata, you should assume there's 40 more nearby. Now, the reason earlier I said Rattata is forced into being a pesky Pokemon is actually because of his fangs. It's because the fangs are at risk of growing so large that it will block its mouth and it will not be able to eat, causing it to starve to death unfortunately. Now when it evolves, the fangs get even crazier. The fangs get so strong in fact that to wear them down, Eradicate now has to chip on cinder blocks. Because of his constant need to chew on things, it develops a more violent nature. But other than that, most ironically, despite not learning to move surf, Eradicate's webbed feet are actually excellent for swimming, functioning as the equivalent of flippers, and often it's the way for them to run away from foes if needed. But here's some food for thought. Ever wonder why two of Team Rocket's standard issue Pokemon are Rattata and Radicate? Well, if you look over at the Rocket hideout in Kanto and the HQ in Johto and look at the surrounding routes, they are actually littered there. And since these Pokemon have a decent amount of power in its bites and are super common around the HQ and aren't too hard to train, this is most likely why Rattata is the way to go for grunts.